Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years, been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So I had a completely different topic I was going to be talking about today, but then I went and I checked the silver price, and it has cracked the $48 mark, all right? I just checked it about 5 minutes ago. It's at $48.05 right now, and it's just gonna continue to go up. So I had to jump on here and do a video about that, because if you are not stacking silver, there's no better time to start doing so than right now, all right? I mean, it's just a no-brainer, folks. If you want something that has real value and a real tangible asset, silver is the way to go, because our dollar bill is collapsing. We're seeing proof of this every single day with the increase in price in silver, you know. Plus the demand for it's at an all-time high. I mean, it's used in all kinds of applications like I've talked about in my other videos. But yeah, I couldn't believe it. $48 an ounce. And it's just going to go up. So I would put all my money on it that we will see it break the all-time high this month. It's going to hit $50, in my opinion, all right? And I'm not an expert on any of this, but I do follow a lot of experts. And, you know, $50 is, you can pretty much bank on silver hitting $50 this month. So with that being said, what I'm doing to stack silver is I'm working with a company called Quicksilver, and they are out of Florida. And they allow you to set up what they call auto wealth deliveries. And that is basically an auto shipment to have silver shipped to your door every single month on autopilot, so that you don't have to even think about it, right? It's like just setting up money to come out of your paycheck to go into your 401k plan. You can just set it and forget it and start stacking silver. The prices are very competitive to all the other online dealers. In fact, in a lot of cases, it's cheaper. And on top of being able to set up these auto wealth shipments, the company takes a proceed from each sale and sends it over to Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization that feeds starving children and helps families all across the world. So it's a really great company. They also offer a business opportunity where you can get paid up to 7 different ways just for sharing the opportunity. All right. And I can't guarantee you'll make any money if you join me in this. It's all dependent on your work ethic. But the people who do take action, and I congratulated several on my video I did yesterday. The people who do show up and take action every day, they do get results. All right. So anybody can do this. You know, you're sharing something of real value. You know, it's not like a lotion, a potion, or a pill. And I'm not saying they don't have value. I'm just saying, you know, this is something that's tangible, that has real value, that continues to go up in price. So it's a win-win. You set up an auto wealth shipment. You have silver sent to your door on autopilot. So you're starting to stack silver. You're feeding starving children all across the country and the world, and you can get paid up to 7 different ways. One of the ways allows you to earn up to $20,000 a month. Not guaranteed. Again, I can't guarantee anything, but if you take action and work hard and treat your business like a business, you can get results. And, you know, I don't think there's anybody in the company at the highest level yet, but there will be. All right, I promise you that. So $48 an ounce. We have a great opportunity here to stack silver on autopilot, help starving children all across the planet, and get paid up to 7 different ways for sharing it. And to top all that off, you can get a free silver bar sent to your door just for checking out the opportunity. All right, all you have to do is visit freesilverbar.com. There'll be a link down below this video, freesilverbar.com. Go and check out the company and opportunity, see what we're all about. And if it's not for you, it's not for you. But at the very least, you can get a free silver bar sent to your door. You just pay a nominal shipping fee of $2.74. And if you're outside the country, because we are a global opportunity, it's $3.74. So, it doesn't hurt anything to check it out. And, one thing is for certain, whether you buy silver through our company using my affiliate link, or you go and find it somewhere else, there's no better time than now to start stacking silver. All right. And if you are stacking silver, keep stacking it, because it's going to, this is going to go on a huge, huge bull run. Not only now, but into the future, into next year. All right. Some of the people I listen to predict triple digits per ounce with silver. Again, I don't know. Nobody really knows. But based on the market trends and the demand for it and the finite supply that we have of it, and our dollar bill, just collapsing, everything is pointing to silver continuing to go up. So that's it for this video. Like I said, I had something to talk about completely different, but I might do that on my live tonight. Either way, I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.